Collaboration and interaction with foreign universities would not only provide a measure of education institutions, but also lead to continuous improvement in the quality of education. One reason that the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force exercise regularly with their foreign counterparts is to improve themselves. Such exercises also reveals the weaknesses. One of the reasons why American universities are world leaders is because they are able to attract the best brains from around the world. Our institutions are very insular in this respect. Not only do we not have any foreign collaborations, but also we do not take advantage of the strengths within our own country. To this day, there is no faculty, student, or course transferability among institutions within the country. This transferability is very common in the West and it is very routine. On any American campus, there is a preponderance of so-called outsiders who include not only people from other countries, but also faculty and students from other parts of America. But in this age, physical presence is not always required and collaboration is not always costly. At the macro level, collaboration with foreign institutions can help us avail of their expensive infrastructure and world-class processes. These processes and infrastructure will take a lot of time for us to develop. Foreign universities also stand to benefit from us because collaboration is not a one-way street. Foreign universities in general have resources for research and are looking actively for ideas. They are also seeking Indian students but do not know how to go about attracting them. Joint degree programs, twinning programs will benefit both Indian and foreign universities, and especially those institutions in India that have 3-year degree programs. One thing that amuses me about India, about the behavioral aspect of Indian institutions is that even local and regional schools, when they think about collaboration, they want to collaborate only with Harvard, Princeton, and MIT. But the truth is that even lesser known universities around the world are very good. And collaborating with these institutions will also be beneficial and a step up for Indian universities.